Breaking news. Welcome to today's headlines. Why Ipob have stated they have no acting leader. Nnamdi Kanu is still in charge. Why Ipob have stated they have no acting leader. Nnamdi Kanu is still in charge. To my dear listeners, stay tuned as I read today's news. According to the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, Nnamdi Kanu continues to serve as the group's leader, with Fäīléd serving as the head of the Directorate of State. Ipob made a statement to refute a media story that Kanu had been replaced, noting that those responsible were using it as a form of blackmail and propaganda. This was stated by Ipob spokesperson Ima Powerful in a statement, added, "We have not replaced Nnamdi Kanu as our leader on Tuesday. We, the indigenous people of Biafra Ipob, under the command and leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, condemn the futile and fabricated media propaganda and blackmail from some media houses that Ipob has a different or acting leader replacing our unflinching liberator and prophet Mazi Nnamdi Kanu," it stated. We want everyone to remember that Mazi Fäīléd and not Ipob acting leader is the Director of State for Ipob. There was never a period when Ima Powerful, the Ipob publicity secretary, released a statement claiming that Mazi Fäīléd had taken over as the organization's acting head in place of our boss. The aforementioned statement was the product of cunning individuals determined to divide Ipob. In the statement, Powerful said that some persons misrepresented the information that Edozem will serve as the DOS leader and direct Ipob. Kanu is still being held by the Department of State Services, DSS. It said, "It is sad that some malicious elements misconstrued a clear statement by Ipob, where we emphasized that the head of DOS, Mazi Edozem, will be directing the day-to-day activities of Ipob, while our leader is in custody. We never asserted that Edozem had taken over as Ipob's acting leader. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still the leader of Ipob. Just to be clear, he has the support of the whole Ipob family around the world. There is no acting leader for Ipob. Fäīléd is not the leader of Ipob. She is simply the head of DOS. We therefore ask our friends, family, supporters, and the general public to disregard the false and malicious media claim. According to the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, Nnamdi Kanu continues to serve as the group's leader, with Fäīléd serving as the head of the Directorate of State. Ipob made a statement to refute a media story that Kanu had been replaced, noting that those responsible were using it as a form of blackmail and propaganda. This was stated by Ipob spokesperson Emma Powerful in a statement added, "We have not replaced Nnamdi Kanu as our leader on Tuesday." We, the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, under the command and leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, condemned the futile and fabricated media, propaganda and blackmail from some media houses that Ipob as a different or acting leader replacing our unflinching liberator and prophet Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, it stated. We want everyone to remember that Mazi Fäīléd and not Ipob acting leader is the director of state for Ipob. There was never a period when Emma Powerful, the Ipob publicity secretary, released a statement claiming that Mazi Fäīléd had taken over as the organization's acting head in place of our boss. The aforementioned statement was the product of cunning individuals determined to divide Ipob. Now I've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop out the comment section and let's know what your